I'm Kajal, your health consultant. Today's video is an informational video, especially for the people who are planning health insurance and also for the people who have already planned their health insurance. They can compare their existing plan benefits with the benefits of this plan. And lastly, this video is also going to be fruitful for the people who have just entered in the field of health insurance, as the video will also fulfill the desire of the people who want to educate and train themselves in the field of health insurance. In today's video, I will talk about the company which is already very popular in itself and comes under the leading brand in the health insurance market. I am talking about Star Health Insurance Company and about one of its plan, that is Family Health Optima. So let's start. If we talk about the eligibility of this plan, adults from age 18 to 65 years can avail this plan, and child age is defined as 16 days to 25 years. First comes the room accommodation. Now I will tell you what is room accommodation. Room accommodation means when the patient gets hospitalized, the type of room he will get according to the sum insured he has chosen in the plan. This is known as room accommodation. Let's understand it with an example. If your base sum insured is starting from rupees 5 lakh to 25 lakh in the policy, then company will provide you a single private AC room. And if your base sum insured is starting from rupees 3 lakh to 4 lakh, then the company will provide you a room accommodation, charges up to 5,000 per day. And if your base sum insured is between rupees 1 lakh to 2 lakh, then company will provide you a room accommodation, charges up to rupees 2,000 per day. In this plan, you also get the benefit of emergency ground ambulance along with a feature of air ambulance. It also provides you the facility of pre and post hospitalization. It means before you get hospitalized, there are few expenses which you get in your pre-medical home treatment. This plan also covers home expenses up to 60 days. Apart from this, when you get discharged from the hospital and go back to your home, then you also get some expenses regarding your post-medical treatment at your home. Expenses like medicines, doctor fees and diagnostic tests, etc. This plan also covers these expenses up to 90 days. All-day care treatment facility is available in this plan. All-day care treatment means those treatments which are done in less than 24 hours. In such treatments, patient is not required to admit it in the hospital. Family Health Optima plan covers all such daycare treatments up to sum insured. Domiciliary treatment facility is also available in this plan. Domiciliary treatment means in case patient did not get admitted in the hospital due to non-availability of rooms in the hospital. In this situation, you can get your treatment done at your home, and expenses regarding your home medical treatment are also covered in this plan up to sum insured. Alternative treatment facility is also covered in this plan. In case you want to take a non-allopathic treatments like Unani, Siddha and Ayurveda, all these kind of treatments are available up to sum insured. The insured person is also given the facility of the medical second opinion from the doctor. Now guys, I will share the best feature of this plan, that is additional sum insured for the road traffic accident. If the insured person meets with road traffic accident resulting in inpatient hospitalization, then the basic sum insured shall be increased by 25% subject to a maximum of rupees 5 lakh. Now let's talk about automatic restoration. Automatic restoration means if your base sum insured get exhausted during the policy period, then the company will provide you an automatic restore which helps you and your other family members to use that amount in case of emergency. And friends, this restore amount is equal to the sum insured amount of your policy. And you get this amount 1, 2 or 3 times in your policy, but it comes with a restriction, that is until you completely exhaust your sum insured in the policy. Till then, company will not provide you any kind of automatic restore benefit. There another feature is recharge facility. In recharge facility, company provides you a recharge of rupees 1.5 lakh. For example, if your first claim is of rupees 6 lakh and your base sum insured is of rupees 5 lakh, Then the help of with this recharge facility, you can get recharge of rupees 1.5 lakh in your policy. This is how you can take the claim of 6 lakh. Now I will talk about bonus in this plan. In first claim free year, company gives you a bonus of 25%, and from second claim free year, company provide you a 10% bonus with increase up to 100%. And there is no co-payments and capping in this plan. Free health checkup is also available in this plan at the time of renewal. Now comes the claim procedure. This company provides you the fastest claim procedure. They also have their in-house claim settlement team. They smoothly and hassle-freely settle their customers' claim, and they have very strong hospital networks, and their hospital network are available in every city where you can use your cashless facility. The coverage for newborn baby starts from the 16th day after his birth till the expiry date of the policy. The company will also reimburse your medical expenses of IVF, IUI, ICSI, TESA and TESE. And for the purpose of claiming under this benefit, inpatient treatment is not mandatory, and automatic restoration of base amount insured and recharge benefit shall not be applicable for this benefit. And please note, to be eligible for this benefit, both husband and spouse should stay insured continuously without break under this policy for every block. This coverage is available only for some insured options of rupees 5 lakh and above. Let's talk about waiting period in this plan. Initial waiting period is 30 days. Apart from this, you also get 2 years waiting period for specific disease like stones, cataract, hernia, piles, etc. Waiting for pre-existing disease is 4 years in this plan. A free look period of 15 days from the date of receipt of the policy is available, and tax benefits under section 80D are also available in this plan. Friends, this was a bit information about Star Family Health Optima plan. If you want to get complete details about this plan, then you can contact on my WhatsApp number which is appearing on your screen. And if you really find my video informative, then please subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon, because it motivates me to come with more informative videos. Thank you for watching our video.